Well, everybody, it's Friday again. I'd like to welcome everybody back to the channel. It's Friday, you know we're going to be grilling or cooking something. We got chicken coming here in a couple of weeks. First time I've ever done chicken on the channel. We're going to grill it. But today we're going to be doing three different cuts of meat. Well, two different cuts of meat, three steaks. We're going to be doing prime boneless top sirloin for these two. And we're going to be doing some grain-fed ribeye. A lot of times I'll trim them. Well, these don't have much to trim, but like this right here, trim some of this stuff back. Not today. I'm going to let it ride like it is. We're going to get these out of these packages and get them seasoned up and let them sit for a little while. We've already got the taters in the oven. I'm not going into that this time. So y'all stick around. We'll see if we can't grill us up some steak. And as always, here's what we're going to be using. I've got 2 or 3 different setups on this Cosmo. I'm going to finish using this one up. As you can see, I've got about 3/4 of it left. I'm going to use it up before I switch off to another one, but I'll put the links down below. Cosmos Q SPG rub. I put it on burgers, steaks. Works pretty good. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and get these seasoned and let them set up for a while. We got about 30 minutes before we put these on the grill. Go ahead and get them seasoned up, and as always, y'all stick around. Let's see how this turns out. If you're new to the channel, I'll put some links up there. Check out some of my other videos. We do hamburgers, we do steaks, we work on trucks sometimes, we work on lawnmowers, we work on just different things. Got that a little bit heavy. We got several different things we do on the channel. But we're going to get these all seasoned up, and I'm going to go ahead and set them aside. I'll let y'all go for right now. Stay tuned, and we'll be right back. Alright, we've got these things all seasoned up. We've got the butter and the garlic. The garlic's chopped up in this little cast iron pan. What I'll do when I get out there is set it on the top shelf of the grill, and let it melt the butter and mix with the garlic. And we'll take this, we'll put some over there. Nothing out of the ordinary there. There's no top secret recipe, but something I always do. So we'll let these set and rest for a little while, or let them set and soak up the seasoning. And we'll get the grill fired up. It's a little early yet. Y'all stick around. Alright, we're back at the Weber Spirit. We have got the grill grates cleaned and they are heating. We're going to get this thing cranked up here and go ahead and get our butter out here and our garlic and let it start melting. Getting this thing up to temperature, and we're going to throw these steaks in there and see what we can do. We got the heat turned down on these. We're just going to let them sit here and warm up good before we actually crank the heat up. I'm not going to try to put a good solid sear on these steaks or anything. We're just going to go ahead and get them up to a certain temperature and then turn them up and put some grill marks on it and let them ride. The last video I put a link to up in the corner. I done an indirect heat on this same side actually, then flipped them over to the other side, which was on high heat, and tried to get a sear on them. But like I found out, like it was pointed out to me, grill grates set up like this is not real good for searing. That was my first attempt at that, so lesson learned. But anyway, we're going to cook these or grill these slow for just a little while, then we'll turn the heat up and get some marks on them. Thought about taking them inside after I grilled them for a while and throwing them in a cast iron skillet and really trying to get a sear on them. Maybe I should have did that first. We're just trying stuff here. Either way, this is steak, it's seasoned, and we're going to eat it. Stick around. Alright, we've got the heat cranked up here. We're going to go ahead and get them over on this other side. Get them back here. Not mash the fool out of them, as I've had it put to me in a couple of the videos. See if we can't get some marks on these things. They don't like a great lot being done. We're going to flip them over here, let them stay this way just a little while. Let's go ahead and get the put just a little bit of this garlic and butter on there. Hope my arm's not blocking the view. Get some of this on there and let it soak in. These things grill, and then we're going to turn them over one more time before we call it done. Get these things off here and cut one open. We're going to leave them this way just a couple of minutes. We'll go ahead and shut the lid. Give these things just a little spin. Alright, we'll leave them there just a couple, maybe a minute. Then we're going to flip them over, put a little more butter. There'll be time to start checking the temperature. Alright, we're going to flip these things over, apply just a little more garlic butter, and we're done. Y'all almost saw me lose that one. Alright, we're going to apply one more coat of this garlic butter. Garlic butter, that's kind of, no, this butter and diced garlic, how about that? That ain't garlic butter. If I said garlic butter earlier in the video, I do apologize, because it is not necessarily garlic butter. It's just butter with diced up garlic melted in it. Alright, we're going to go right there and we're going to leave it be, and we'll shut the lid. Then we're going to start checking. Let's go ahead and grab a quick temperature check while we got it going here. Now that one's just almost ready to pull. What we're going for here is a medium well. Well, I always pull them around 119 to 122, roughly in that area. Oh yeah, we're good. We're going to go ahead and turn the grill off. These things will come right on in nicely. Go ahead and do that. I guess you all are going to get to see me cut this one right here open. Let's go ahead and slice it open and see what it looks like inside. Hope the camera's getting a good shot of that right there. I'm gonna go ahead and eat that piece right there. Sorry folks. If you enjoyed the video, it was short and sweet. Look at that right there. Just the way we like it. Maybe a little overdone for some people, but it's the way we like it here. If you enjoyed the video, while I eat this piece of steak, hit that like, share, and subscribe buttons. Appreciate y'all sticking around. That's good. See y'all on the next one. God bless. Have a great day.